Hi friends, we are creating perfect business website using WordPress. And in this video, we are going to create a website for landscaping. And the theme that we are going to use itself named as landscaping. And it is garden landscaper WordPress theme. And it has been developed by my favorite Wham Tam. And they are of course Power Elite authors. So we are targeting this website. This can be our target website as well, and this one. All great layouts with Vamptum I always used to use, and the websites, pre-made websites are really very awesome, clear in look, perfect in design, and well arranged contents are going to be available using this theme options. So three layouts available with the theme landscaping, and let us start installation and we can discuss rest of the things during the video. Don't skip any part of this video, and if you are coming to the channel very first time, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button. Okay, so I have this fresh installation of WordPress core and I'm using this shared hosting. You can avail all these things, all your required things through the video description link. You have to buy the theme at the themeforest.net through the video description link. It is really important, and once you buy the theme through the link, you can join the iCreate program for free. It is going to be free for you if you are following the links. Okay, so this is the theme that we are going to use. It is available at $89. Yes, but yes, it is really going to be worth, and I'll show you all the things. Our website is looking like this with the default theme, and I'm going to add new Vamptum theme landscaping here. So in the appearance section, we can add a new theme, upload theme, and I'll choose the installable theme file. Okay, so the theme gets installed in seconds. We can go to the theme page, and in the theme page, we have this theme, Vamptum landscaping, along with the default theme. We can check the details. This is version 16. And I'm going to activate the theme now. Okay, so first we need to put our activation license, the Invito purchase code, in fact, that you'll get at the downloaded file from the themeforest.net, of course, once you buy the theme. And you can proceed further for installing the rest of plugins that is required for the installation of theme and rest of the features. So it is taking time. I'm just going to check my internet first. It is going somehow slow. So here is the list of required and recommended plugins, and we need to install all these required plugins. I can see the 8-9 plugins here. Basically, we were builder and booked the classic widgets, jetpack, mega menu, ninja forms, evolution cider, and all such great plugins. So I'm going to choose all these plugins, already chosen in fact. So I can simply choose to install and click on apply, and let us see how it works. It is going to install all the required plugins, I believe, and we can even choose to install plugins one by one to avoid any error during the plugin installation process. And it may take a while because number of plugins are 12 here, and the plugins are being installed and activated simultaneously. So it is a great thing that we don't need to do anything much during the installation process. Just we need to click the relevant links and the relevant things, and it is going to work fine for our installation. So we have to wait until all goes green, all 12 plugins are being installed. Okay, great. So finally WooCommerce is being installed, and all 11 plugins, 12 plugins has been installed successfully. Wonderful. So what is next? We have completed our plugin installation along with the theme, and definitely we can target to import demo content to make a demo website like it. I like this one very much, so it is all great. And okay, so next is return to theme setup.
What open at
And at import demo option, we have dummy content import option, ninja form import option, widget. So we can choose all these separately. And for a new installation, we can simply go for this import option that will include all the things. Images will be downloaded in the background after the main content, main import is complete. Depending upon your server, this may take several minutes. In the meantime, you may notice that some images are not visible. Okay, so once I clicked, the message is here, main content imported, images import progress, 205 remaining. It means we have received all the pages. First, I'll check. Yes. So we have received all the pages in just a fraction of seconds, and the images are being imported. As it has been clearly mentioned here, it is going to take time, but yes, in the background it is working. So we can proceed further for exploring rest of the things. Meanwhile, I'll take a look up our website. Yes, so the things are being imported, images are not here, so it is looking like this. So we have to wait until all images goes fine. Now 182 images are remaining, and meanwhile we can explore rest of the things, how we can proceed for customization and how we are going to use this thing for our landscaping website. Okay, so I'll open this in another tab just to make sure. Okay, so Bantam dashboard we have already used for installing the plugins and importing the demo. Jetpack by default here, and I'm only willing to show you the additional things. Through the Ninja forms, you can create new forms, and one is already created for contact me. Appointments is another section through which the appointment scheduling features can be used, and the basic parameters of setting appointment feature can be handled from this section, like already consultation, maintenance plans, and urban new categories have been already created, and you can create new one. Okay, Webtime Builder is a section where the most of the pages and the elements have been created by the theme developer itself. We just need to edit the content using this section, and we can simply edit the sections, edit the page area using this Webtime Builder, and it is really going to help us in completing the website in all manners. So you just need to select the area that you want to edit, simply click, and the text can be edited easily. So it is just like working on a MS Word file. So it is nothing like technical thing, and you don't need to have any technical specific knowledge as well. Once you complete your editing, you have to click on this done button, and it will be saved, and you can save the changes separately here. It is super simple to use all these things, and keep in mind you have to handle the website page elements from this Webtime Builder sections like appointment, also things, whatever you want to edit. Next, I can see in the plugins and rest of the things, and the slider evolution is the part where you can handle the hero image area. However, it is not being used directly for my selected demo, and if it is used, you can edit the hero image, the sliders from this section. Further, again, check the mega menu option. So once we created the mega menu, we can edit the mega menu header, mega header, and all the basic things of menu themes and the general settings for mega menus. This is basically for mega menu. The rest of things are very clear and smooth, and the page builder that is being used is viewer builder. So it is just like inbuilt page, and we can simply handle the content using this builder. So we just need to click on Webtime Builder for editing the content, and it is going to work fine. Okay, so this is the thing, and I am still waiting for images, in fact. So now I can see the 97 images are remaining. for import, and let us wait to make it complete. Okay, great. So I can see this message, image import progress all done. So all the images has been imported now. And now I'm going to refresh this page just to check the image elements at our website. And yes, so images are here, and for rest of the things like, okay. So the images are here, yes. So you might be wondering why we are not having the proper things still. But what is the next? We can import the rest of the things. Like we have already imported the post pages, products, event, and max mega menu setting. The next is Ninja forms. We can simply import the Ninja forms by clicking on this item. It is simply imported. Widget import. So widgets are imported. Slider evolution, which is showing here, slider is not found. So what we can simply do, we can import the slider evolution elements by using this imported, and the book part, the booking part can be imported. Now we can consider all the elements has been imported successfully. I mean the demo import process is complete. Now I'm going to refresh this page, and this time our website is complete. You can see everything is here. The widgets are managed now, and the website is complete in all respects. So I'll show you the rest of the home pages. We have 3 home pages with all the contents. All great contents are here. So we can simply go for customizing this website. It is really going to help us in making this wonderful website. Okay, so the next process, I have already shown you what is available for handling the content, editing the content, and we can simply conclude that the installation remains smooth and successful, and we can use this theme for our next website project for landscaping website. We just created this wonderful website using the landscaping WordPress theme by Theme, and it is available at themeflorist.net through video description link. And if you have any question for the installation and the basic customization and anything, you can simply write in the comment section of this video, or you can start a chat with Mentor here, direct chat, and you can ask your question, what you want to know, and even you can join the iCreate program for completing your website in every manner. It is all for you. Let us start creating a wonderful landscaping website using this landscaping garden landscaper WordPress theme. And in the next video, I'm coming with more resources for your WordPress website. Till then, goodbye. Keep building, keep watching. Thank you.